What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can possibly earn $1,000 per month working from home for only 15 minutes per day, step by step in this video. The first thing you're going to need is that you're going to need an affiliate program that's going to allow you to earn $1,000 per month with the least amount of people. You don't want to be trying to go out and share this with thousands and thousands and thousands of people. You don't want it where you have to recruit people and they have to recruit people and they have to recruit people in order for you to earn an income from them below you. This is basically on your own efforts. So you going out doing what you have to do in 15 minutes per day in order to earn $1,000 per month working from home, if that is what you are willing to do. So I'm going to show you this video, step by step, how you can do that with an affiliate marketing program that pays 80% residual commissions on each product that we have in this system, $128 per person, and you get 10 people. You're well over your $1,000 per month in residual income right there. So each product is sold separately. They can get a $10 product, a $25 product, $125 product, and they can do it like that. But if they get all the products, each product is going to have you earning up to $128 per month. The total investment for them would be like $160. So keep that in mind. So you want a program that's going to pay you 80% or more in affiliate commissions, nothing less than that. So keep that in mind. So the first thing I'm going to tell you that you want to do is get you an affiliate program, and I have that affiliate program right now. Let's go ahead on and take a look at it. So the affiliate program that I'm talking about is the Home Business Academy. It is the only affiliate program that I know of today, and that has always been paying 80% residual income on each and every last one of their products, which means you're going to get paid month after month, and they pay every Friday. There's a 3-day money back guarantee that if you decide you don't want it, you can get your money back, but they run a 3-day money back guarantee so we affiliate can get paid the next Friday after someone joins. If someone joins this week, we'll get paid the next week. So keep that in mind as well. So this is residual income, continuity income that keeps coming in month after month after month. Now, the first thing you want to do is click the link in the description to get started with the Home Business Academy right now. It's going to take you to a page where you just do what you have to do, go through the process, follow the step to get started. Once you get started, you are going to come to once you log in and get started, log into the back office, come to the affiliate section here, and it's going to have this video here. It's imperative and crucial that you watch this video. Go with the 3 steps it's showing you here. Watch the fast start video first, then set up the inviter and get it going, and go to the traffic Maestro onboarding. So there's going to be some steps that you have to go through that's going to be over 15 minutes, but you're going through the setup process first. Once you get everything set up and going, now you're crunching that time down to 15 minutes where you only have to do 15 minutes per day. But I'm also going to show you some other traffic methods that you could be doing as well. So with the Fast Start Inviter, you watch this video. You're going to come here and you're going to get the Fast Start Inviter. You're going to download it. It's going to tell you what to do step by step. It has a training video, and we have some scripts for you and things like that as well. The Fast Start Inviter, what that does, once you get that bad boy up and going, it's going to, on a daily basis, reach out to your friends and your followers on Facebook without you doing anything. So that is basically working in the background for you. It's going to reach out to 10 people per day, but in time increments. It's not going to do it 10, just back to back to back. It's going to do 1, and then it's going to wait 30 minutes, maybe an hour, and it's going to do another one. So this is something you would just let run in the background. The messages are already crafted for you. You don't have to tweak any of that. Then follow the training, because they're going to show you what to do in this video. If somebody says yes, if somebody says no, if nobody don't respond, show you exactly what to do. And if you're not not on Facebook, I highly suggest that you really, at least set an account and start going this, because this is another way that you can get traffic to your affiliate link here inside of the Home Business Academy. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go through the Traffic Maestro onboarding. And when I click on this link, this is going to take you through a step-by-step process of setting your profile. You're going to be telling your story. You're going to be going through this. This is going to take you some time. You don't rush through this. Go take your time, go slowly, answer the question properly, be honest, be real, be sincere through this whole process. As I said before, this is going to be more than 15 minutes just getting it set up. But once you get it set up, now you can start looking at the 15-minute daily work or daily activities that you have to do in order to reach that $1,000 per month in residual income. Okay, so you want to go through this process right here. Just simply set up a new profile. I'm not going to do it right now, but just understand you want to do that right there. That's your next step. Now, the next thing you want to do, I already have this set up. So what I'm going to do is come back to premium. And in my premium section, I'm going to show you something that I'm doing that you can tap into right now, because what it's going to do is going to help you with your Facebook posts. Okay. Once you get your onboarding set up, that was the purpose of the onboarding. Once you get, let's go back here. Once you get the Traffic Maestro onboarding set up and properly do it right, okay, you're going to come back over here and you're going to have access to Traffic Maestro. Click on Premium, come over to Premium Tools, and come to Traffic Maestro. The next thing you want to do, that video is published. The next thing you want to do is you're going to go through this process right here, okay? This is for your benefit. Understand that you're going to grow yourself daily. You're going to check off all of these only if you have done them. And then you're going to do a Facebook post, okay? You have the Facebook, the Fast Start Inviter is already working for you behind the scenes, contacting your followers and the people you are already friend with in Messenger. This Facebook post right here, if I click on it, you can easily create a post. And what you can do, if I discard and start over right here, you're going to have these questions that you can answer, whatever you can think of, whatever your thought is, whatever it is that you want to do for the day. You can actually use it in this system right here. And it just really makes a big difference in your marketing and what you can do with it. So this is going to help you, whatever it is. What are you excited about in your life or your business right now? Once you get the Traffic Maestro set up, this is what's going to help you through that process. You can click the button, click on transcribe, and you can talk into your microphone and just pour out your thoughts, whatever it is that you're thinking about, and it's going to craft the perfect Facebook post for you to actually use in your Facebook marketing. Those are two free methods that you can use right now, okay? The Fast Start Inviter and this right here to start posting on your Facebook profile. The next thing you can do is come back over here, go back to Traffic Maestro, is do what I am doing right now. That is creating videos, okay? Maybe you're afraid to do it, and I understand, I've been there, but my advice to you is just do it, okay? The more you do it, you'll get over it. But you can create long form videos, you create short form videos. These are done for you. This is going to help you. You don't have to have an outside editor, nothing like that. You can create the video right here inside of this platform right here. Everything you need is right here. As a matter of fact, we even have a emailer in here or autoresponder in here that you can use all as well. So what you want to do, let's go back. Affiliate, follow these 3 steps. Get set up first. Once you get set up, and the Fast Start Inviter is going to be working for you already while you're working on the Maestro onboarding, okay? Then you're going to come back over here. You're going to come to Premium. You're going to come down here to Traffic Maestro, and you're going to do a Facebook post. Okay, it's just that simple. Then you come back over here again, or you can come back, it should be a back button right here, and you can do a long form video. It's going to walk you step by step, the topic, what to cover, get attention, the script, shoot, all of this right here, so you can start doing video. You can do it faceless. You don't have to put your face on the video. You can do it faceless if you want to. This is how I make the most of my commission with the Home Business Academy, is by doing YouTube video and posting on Facebook as much as I do now. I used to didn't post on Facebook that much, but now I post on Facebook. So YouTube video really help. And what I'm doing in my YouTube videos, I'm educating, I do reviews, and I try to teach, just like I'm teaching right here. I haven't gone into a deep thing of teaching, as far as in this video, but I'm just giving you the steps to follow so you can get started. So you're going to get this right here, and it's actually going to give you some content and just give you an idea for the video that I'm doing right now. If I come over here and grab this, I copy that, and I'm gonna add a new topic. I'm going to just paste this in right here, because this is going to be the title of my video right here. Okay, and I'm going to say it said people search for this on YouTube. I'm going to say add and use, and it's going to put it in there right there for me. Then I'm going to say use this topic. Then it's going to say what are the main things you want to teach in the video. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to just skip and say let AI suggest the point. And now what it's going to do is start an auto research. It's going to research 1,000 working hours of $1,000 per month working from home, 15 minutes each day, pulling the top 10 video idea. So this is actually going out doing the research for you. I'm going to pause this, and then I'll be back in a moment. All right, so now it's done. What it has done is it has given me a title from a YouTube video. It added a little bit more on the end, which you don't necessarily have to do. You can always click this pencil and edit it. You can use a different angle style by clicking here, transformation, enemy villain, speed ease, social proof story, and you can just go on. I'm just gonna say write my hook. I'm gonna let it go right there. It wrote my hook for me. I'm going to say next, pick a thumbnail. It's going to pick a thumbnail. I'm going to unpick this one right here. I'm going to unpick that one right there. I'm going to unpick that one right there. And I'm going to say create my script. You can read this information. It just walks you step by step how to create a YouTube video, giving you the best SEO chances of your video ranking and getting views as well. Create my script. Well, I'm going to go back. I don't want to create the script. I'm just going to go straight to shoot, because this video right here that I'm doing right now, I'm going to upload it into here and edit the video and all of that stuff right there. And you can use your camera and your mic. It says the camera is in use right now. It should be, the mic is in use and the camera is in use, but I do have another camera up here. I just don't have it enabled right now. So, but we can upload a video. If I wanted to upload a video, I can come over here and find a video and upload it and all that stuff right there. So that's one of the things that you can do in order to start getting traffic coming into your system. Now you're only working 15 minutes a day. And to do the research and for your videos, you do not have to do a video every day. Keep that in mind. You don't have to do a video every day, maybe 2 videos a week. Just pick you some days that you can do them and get them done. Now, I'm going to show you one more traffic method that you can use. It's paid. It's going to be, once you get it set up and going, you don't have to worry about anything, because it's actually going to just be sending traffic for you. So what you want to do, you want to come back to affiliate. You want to come down here and get your affiliate link right here. You're going to add a tracking code, and I'm just going to say TI, because this is traffic ignition that I'm using. I'm going to say 081726. Okay, TI is for traffic ignition. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to come over to traffic ignition. What you want to do with traffic ignition, there will be a link to join in the description. You're going to come to traffic ignition. Once you join, you're going to activate the multiplier, and what's going to happen is you're going to purchase some clicks, and you're going to get wholesale clicks here. And what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down, whatever package you decide you want. I just recommend you come down to the lowest, pick that one right there, come back over here, put in your website URL that you want it to go to. And then you're going to set up your card, your whatever it is that you're going to use. You're going to sign here, and then you're going to submit your order. And what they are going to do is they're going to send traffic to your funnel. Okay, right down here, they're going to send traffic to your Home Business Academy funnel. Now you can, if you want to, when you join Traffic Ignition, you can have it sent to your Traffic Ignition link by grabbing one of these links over here. If you want to, that's totally up to you. But I'm choosing to send mine to my Home Business Academy because that is what I'm trying to build. That is what I'm working on. That's my main focus. Any traffic programs that I join will be going back to the Home Business Academy. So this is a quick method right here. I have some other paid traffic method that you can join. So let me show you how to join the Home Business Academy to get started right now. So to get started with the Home Business Academy, just click the link in the description below this video. You're going to come to this page right here. Just read the information. Do what you have to do to get started right here. Your name, your email. It's going to take you to this page right here. I highly recommend you watch it 3-minute, 21-second video and go down through here. You want to earn $1,000 a month, click 1,000 and then update your number. It's going to tell you what you need to do in order to earn that. So read this page right here. Come all the way down through it. You're going to see down through here the numbers that people are earning or how much they have paid out for commission to the affiliate. You're going to come all the way down here till you see a pretty image of me and my wife. You're going to pick the $35 package. You're going to get 14-day free trial of premium. You don't have to get premium, but I highly recommend that you do. Click right here to get started. Make sure you see my image again and go ahead on and get started today. It's as simple as that. Once you do that, come over to, there's going to be a link in the description. You're going to see a page that looks like this one right here. If I open that up, you're going to see this page. Put in your email, watch the free presentation, and go from there and get started with both of these programs. So I hope you got value from this video. Go ahead and get started right now if you're looking to earn $1,000 per month in residual income working from home, you know, for just 15 minutes per day each day. So let's go ahead on and get you started. Click the link in the description, the links in the description. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.